This is Shawn Clarke here at Firkins in Bradenton. I just took in this gray 2016 Ford Focus. This is all set to be flat towed. It's got the blue ox up front. Nice interior. Backup camera. Power windows, power doors, power locks. Automatic transmission. Plenty of seating for 5. It's got the Invisi-Brake that's under the back seat. Plenty of storage back here. Still have the floor mats. This one is beautiful. It won't last long. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call me, Shawn Clarke, here at Firkins in Bradenton.